We're going to remove the crossover pipe from the intake and then down by the EGR valve. So the temp sensor's in that crossover pipe. So that's what we got to take out. And then point at the vacuum line. So then you got to remove the vacuum line from here. Remove that so the bypass motor doesn't bypass the EGR cooler. Into the EGR to the cooler, back to the manifold, out the turbo, and then in the bucket.
So their school bus company, they've been doing it, their DPF life's doubled.
Oh, I bet.
Their hours doubled.
Yeah, I bet. Oh, 100%, yeah.
Because the engine's burning properly,
Sure.
it's going to make it so it doesn't have to revent so
Right,
often, right?
exactly, yeah.
But what you will see, the driver will see though, the performance comes back. If you did a turbo read, when we're done, the turbo speed will jump up, and it's all because of airflow. We're just getting better airflow to the So that now you can get your power back that you lose, but you don't realize it. You just slowly right? Right? Yeah.
It took us a whole day to take this out of that unit right here, as you can see. When it takes less than 20 minutes to hook up that and clean out the EGR.
How do they look when you open them up? How bad are they?
They're really bad. It is not bad. Really bad.
What do you guys usually do to clean them? How do you normally
How did we clean this one out? Did we send it out?
We sent it out.
Yeah, we sent it out to get cleaned.
You're sending them out. Yeah. While they're out getting it clean, where's that truck? It's not working. It's just sitting here waiting. That's a lot of time lost. You're going to be able to use that time doing something else more important.
Exactly. We'll give them more trucks out, and we'll save a lot more money than sending them back to the dealer and having them do it. Highly recommended.